In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create dependent drop-down lists in Excel, where the options in the second list automatically update based on what you select in the first list. This is especially useful for managing things like product categories and their related products. Let's get started. First, we need to define a named range for each category. To do this, select the range of products for a specific category. Then, go to the Formulas tab, and click on Name Manager. Click New. A new window will open where you'll enter the name of the category in the name field. The selected range will already be filled in. Click OK to save. Repeat this process for all your categories, so each category has a named range. Once the named ranges are set, it's time to create the drop-down list for categories. Select the cell dot where you want the list to appear. Go to the Data tab. Click on Data Validation. And in the window that opens, choose List under the Allow section. In the Source field, select the range of categories. Then click OK. Now, your drop-down list for categories is ready. Next, we'll create the dependent drop-down list for products. Again, go to the Data tab. Select Data Validation. And choose List under the Allow section. In the Source field, type the formula where $G3 is the cell that contains your category dropdown. Click OK, and your second dropdown list for products is ready. Now, when you select a category from the first dropdown, the second list will automatically display the related products. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your Excel sheets more dynamic.